All right, guys. So I just woke up not too long ago. Sorry, my titties itchy. So, anyways, what I'm gonna do is I am going to dye my hair with fruit. I got some blueberries. Thumbnail. Okay, so I got some blueberries. And I grabbed a handful of them. I threw in my NutriBullet. As you can see, there's some in there. What I did was I grabbed like a handful or two or three. I don't know, grabbed some. And I just splashed a little bit of water inside the NutriBullet. And I blended it and I blended until it got to this consistency. I don't know what happened, but this kind of turned into a gel. Like the, you don't see the molding of the bottom of the, like it just turned into like a big old gel. I don't know why. Let me stop talking. So let me put it over there. So we're gonna just grab some of this because like the reason why I'm gonna dye my hair with blueberries is because I heard that blueberries stains. So blueberry stains, it might stain my hair and it might be able to dye my hair. So we're gonna see what happens if I put blueberries in my hair. Will it stain or will it dye it? We're going to see. Holy cow, I'm making a mess of my kitchen table. Okay, put it up here on the darker areas where my hair is like hella dark. This this literally feels like jelly, like gel. I'm sorry you guys, I'm off camera a little bit. I blended it for a great while. I'm gonna see if this dyes my hair. I was assuming it's gonna dye my hair purple or bluish purple looking, but I don't know what's gonna dye my hair. Hold on, you guys. So we're gonna leave this in. I'm gonna finish putting it in right here. We're gonna leave it in for about, leave dyeing for about 30 minutes. So I'm leaving it in for about 30 minutes and then wash it out and show you guys the results. We're gonna see if blueberries can actually dye hair, okay? I mean, I heard that it stains, just like pomegranate. I was gonna use pomegranates, but I was like, let's do blueberries. So I'm using blueberries. So we're gonna see what happens. Okay, guys, first let me tell you guys what happened. I'm gonna sit in for 30 minutes before. I don't wanna like show you guys this side. I haven't put on my eyelashes yet. But anyways, so it was sitting in there. It started to look like I added purple shampoo. Like my hair was turning silver and like that dark silver look, gray silver look. And I was like, oh, okay. So I rinsed it out with conditioner and I was like, oh, I saw it looks like not dyed purple, but it looks like I toned it. But then I was like, oh, Angelina, you put like fruit in your hair. You need to wash it out because of the sugar in the fruit. So I go and get the shampoo and I'm doing all this, washing it out. And then I had to like wash it out, like scrub it out because there's a whole bunch of little like blueberry specks. I know I should probably drain it or something. I don't know. But it was like a jelly though after I blended it up. Anyways, so it was like a whole bunch of purple stuff stuck. So that's when also why I use purple. That's also why I use some shampoo as well because I was like, you know what? This little blueberry particles is not coming out, so I need to use the shampoo to help it come out. And when I did that, it basically it washed out my hair and it didn't really do anything. Can you guys see this? It didn't really do anything. Just want to compare it. I want to compare this. We could compare it. Hold on. Let me grab some hair in the front. Let's compare it. Hold on, you guys. So that with this hair. Did I do anything, you guys? Can you guys tell? I hope it's focusing because I'll be so pissed off if it's not focusing. To me, they look exactly the same. They look exactly the same, you guys. There's no difference between either side, I feel. If I didn't wash it, I would well, actually, I do notice a little tiny difference, like a little tone, little shade, like a little barely hint. But if I didn't wash it out with the shampoo, my hair would look like I toned it. But so if you were to try to dye your hair with the blueberries, you're not really gonna succeed because when you wash your hair, it's gonna just wash out. So it's like a very, very temporary thing to do. Just rinse it out with cold water. Not warm. I also washed it out with warm, like I should have done that. Maybe I don't know, but it came out with the shampoo. So hope this video is, could help someone out. Peace out, toodles and happy trails. Thank you for watching, you guys. Bye.